Hello friends, welcome to Costing Tips and Tricks with KSJ Teaching. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss out on the important tips for the examination purpose. So, the tip number 1 for this part. Let's have the tip number 1. This is related to your exam attempt. Okay, so what is the tip, sir? The tip is that if you are attempting a particular question in the exam, say you are attempting this question number 2 you are attempting, then make sure that you are attempting both the parts, that is A part and B part, or whatever is the number of parts in the question you are attempting at one place. Okay, do not commit a mistake that one part you are attempting at the beginning of the paper and one part you are attempting at the end of the paper. That will be a blunder in the examination. Please do not commit this mistake. Be sure of this thing. So this was tip 1. Let's see tip number 2. Now this is related to your subject. This is again related to EOQ, sir. Lot of tips because this is one of the important topics. So lot of tips related to EOQ. Obviously the last tip for that. The tip is related to a very common problem, a very common query, that is relevant cost. A very common query, that is relevant cost. At some places, the institutes are taking the relevant cost to be purchase cost plus ordering cost plus carrying cost. And at the other places, the institute is taking the relevant cost to be only ordering cost plus carrying cost. So how to differentiate between the two, right? So that is a major query, sir. Where to take purchase plus ordering plus carrying cost, or where to take ordering plus carrying cost? So the first option is do not differentiate. Always go for this option. Always go for this option. This is the one strategy. Another strategy is that you will have to evaluate. Evaluate means wherever you are asked to calculate the relevant cost, always you will have two options, right? You will have two options. So option number 1 and option number 2. So the first thing that you have to do is that whether there is a change in the purchase price. Listen to it very carefully, that under the two options, whether there is a change in the purchase price. If there is no change in the purchase price, then this option will be applicable, right? And if there is no change in the purchase price, then this option will be available. One second. Then this one. No change in purchase price. No change in purchase price. That means you are not getting any discounts or anything, right? Then under the two options, whether option 1, option 2, your purchase price is going to remain the same. And if there is a change in the purchase price, then you will have to calculate the relevant cost as per this method, right? Change in purchase price. So you have to evaluate this. Okay, so you have two options. One is do not consider anything, just always calculate this one. Purchase cost plus ordering plus carrying cost. The another thing is you can evaluate. If there is a change in the purchase price, then go for this one. Then this is your relevant cost. Relevant cost means the cost which can change with the change in the decision making. The purchase price, if the purchase price is not changing, then it is not being affected by your decision. And if there is a change in the purchase price, then you will have to go for this option. Now it is your totally your call how to deal with it in the examination, but be careful, do not commit any kind of a mistake. Okay, so these were the two tips for this. See you guys in the next lecture with some more important tips, and do not forget to share with all your friends. And guys, that is how you can contribute to the growth of your own channel, KSJ Teaching. Thank you guys. Stay safe, stay healthy.